PRINCE2 Agile provides help and support for individuals and organizations currently using PRINCE2 and who either currently use Agile methods in their projects or wish to start doing so. Likewise, PRINCE2 Agile could aid those already working in an Agile way to add more control to their projects. PRINCE2 Agile doesn't replace the use of PRINCE2 or Agile methods. Instead, it helps current PRINCE2 practitioners adopt more Agile approaches, and those outside the PRINCE2 community incorporate PRINCE2 practices into their projects, whether they're Agile or not. Although current PRINCE2 practitioners will benefit from PRINCE2 Agile, you don't need to be familiar with PRINCE2 to begin learning PRINCE2 Agile. Everything you need to know is included in this course.